Hey, welcome back. It's your host, it's V, let's go. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. I have a VILTROX 28mm F4.5 lens to look at. This is a compact pancake lens designed for APS-C cameras. At the time of this recording, I currently use the Fujifilm system, but it's also available for Sony. It may come out for other systems soon, but what makes this lens very interesting is the price. It's only around $100. For that price, you would expect maybe a manual lens, but this one actually has autofocus, which is pretty rare for that price point. It does have a fixed aperture at f4.5 and a 28mm focal length, which is great for everyday shooting. The build quality actually surprised me. This lens is super tiny, roughly the size of a lens cap. There's no front cover whatsoever, but it does have a manual switch to open and close the built-in hood. On the back, there's a USB-C port for firmware updates. Because it's so small, you almost have to do a double take to make sure you're grabbing the right one. It's super discreet and perfect for street photography since it doesn't look intimidating. This lens is very pocketable and almost looks invisible, and half the time it can just live on my camera. Honestly, I was impressed with the image quality considering the price. For just $100, this little lens offers great value and solid performance. The autofocus on this lens is actually really fast and snappy. I wouldn't really use this for sports or wildlife, but it works well for street and quick portrait shots. This lens is fixed at 28mm focal length for full frame with an aperture of f4.5. With an APS-C sensor, it's a 1.5 crop, so that 28mm becomes 42. So it sits in the middle between 35 and 50mm range, which is good because it opens up a lot of possibilities with that length. Overall, the photo quality is solid for the price here. I'll show some straight from camera samples here at the end with no edits. While using this with low light, it's just okay. Plus, with it being such a compact lens, it's not going to have amazing bokeh or background blur. You do get a little bit of bokeh, but it's subtle due to the fixed f4.5 aperture. The lens is very pocket friendly and is perfect for living on any camera in any bag. APS-C cameras tend to be smaller compared to full frame, so this lens makes my setup even more compact. This lens does not have OIS, so you want to rely on IBIS inside your camera for better video stabilization. Overall, it's an inexpensive, fixed aperture lens that's perfect for casual, everyday photography on the go. So just going out for a couple days here or there. I do pair this with my Fujifilm X-T5. This is literally the perfect low-key camera setup compared to the bigger, bulkier full-frame cameras, and this lens fits perfectly with that, but what you pay for it, the quality is pretty impressive. Video could be a little bit better, but photos are pretty solid. If I'm just walking around town and want a decent, better than phone camera that's small and lightweight, this is my go-to setup. It's available for both Sony and Fujifilm setups, and it's absolutely worth the price. This really is one lens to check out. So like always, it's your host, it's V, stay classy.